In this video, we'll show you how to replace your side view mirror switch on your Ford F-150. This is located on the inside of the vehicle on top of the door. Let's get started. I'll be using a trim tool. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver. It can be good to use a rag if you're using a flathead screwdriver to keep from scratching things. Pry that up. We can access the electrical connector. We have a tab facing towards the front of the vehicle. And go ahead and press in on that and pull down. You want to make sure you check your electrical connectors for any corrosion or damage. These look good. We have two metal tabs on the inside. We'll go ahead and press down on those. And push up. And there we have it. We can install the new one in reverse order of removing the old one. Simply press down on the switch. Make sure that's fully seated. Plug in the electrical connector. Make sure that's fully seated and won't pull out. And we can press down on our trim piece. Make sure to test the mirror switch. Make sure you test both mirrors in all directions.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.